Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Banao Bharat's Trading for Living Friday live session. We are about 1 hour into the trade now. Let us proceed with Nifty chart. Opens at around 17,889 and then very quickly comes down to 17,799 in the very first candle, and from there on currently trading at 17,843. Yesterday was a settlement day. You could see opened slightly lower compared to Wednesday's close, and very quickly from the third candle itself it was trying to go higher, made a high of 17,935, just about 4 points below day before yesterday's high, and then came down, spent some time again towards the end, broke out of the zone and closed at around 17,959. Though the trend got shifted upwards, though it just moved about 30 to 40 points from the breakout levels, the time was not sufficient. By the time the real breakout happened, it was already 2 o'clock. So for the next 1 hour, being the settlement day, most of the positions were getting closed, and accordingly there was not much movement yesterday in Nifty. And today, after having closed well yesterday at around 17,959, today opens slightly lower and now currently trading at around 17,847. About Nifty is about 100 points down now. On the spot it is about 71 points down. Nifty Bank is about 8 points plus on the spot and 86 points down on the futures. This is the chart of Bank Nifty. Opens slightly lower at 41,510, goes up to 41,734 and now currently trading at 41,630. Bank Nifty was slightly lower yesterday for the large part of the day, and along with Nifty started moving higher and closed at 41,750 towards the end. So this is the chart of Bank Nifty, currently trading at 41,641. Bank Nifty currently still is in the downtrend, but it can break out above 41,921, then it shifts to an uptrend and there is a buying emerging at 41,921, or if it comes down to the support of 41,365, then also there is a probability of Nifty taking the support at 41,365 and slightly start trading above that level. Currently at 41,650, it is in the no trade zone, and nothing much to be done with Nifty or Bank Nifty until you see some levels emerging on this Friday morning. With respect to Nifty, the breakout on the upside is at around 17,974 and on the downside it is around 17,786, which means at around 17,850 it is in the no trade zone. Though it is an uptrend, it gives the next buy signal only above 17,974, or if it starts breaking 17,786, then you can say it is going down. We'll quickly look into what's happening in Adani Group stocks. ACC opens at 1882, currently trading at 1914. Yesterday also was a down day, closed at 1918 yesterday from the highs of 1962, and today again it has fallen below 1900 and now trading just about above 1900. Adani Enterprises also fell yesterday. It had a first and second candle big downward movement. It had come down to low of 1735 and closed at 1927. Today again opens at 1735.85. It opens 5 paise below yesterday's low, just about 5 paise below yesterday's low. So whenever you see this kind of just touching the previous days or 2 days or 3 days or 5 days lows, what does it mean? Will it mean the trend has ended, it has made a double bottom or a triple bottom and it will start going up, or it has shown those new levels and will it again come down to those new levels? Well, for a For a stock which is already in the downtrend, such new low levels will only mean, according to my past experience, it will mean like at least the short term bottom has been made. So if you see today, yesterday's low was 1735, today's low has been 1735.85, which means like the first cut analysis would be the bottoming process is in place. The new low has been made, and that too just in 5 paise it has started moving up. It has taken a high of 1978 and currently trading at 1891, which means like there is some amount of up move which can come in this particular stock. Watch out for this double bottom. If it breaks, then probably it might go down, but whenever the double bottom is made, it is an indication that it is now ready to go higher. Adani Ports has already taken the support. Yesterday's low was 548 and today's low has been 563. You can see the support is emerging in Adani Ports after making a high of 602, which is also higher than the yesterday's high. It is now currently trading at 598. Watch out for 608 levels. Currently, though it is in downtrend, this stock is now taking support and it might start seeing higher levels. Ambuja Cement opens at 350, one more new low compared to yesterday. Yesterday's low was 354. Today opens in the very first candle, makes a new low at 350, which also means like the lower process is ending. At least the downtrend may be ending in these stocks. So watch out for 375. There is a minor resistance at 375. If 375 is taken out, then you can very quickly see 397 on the charts. This is Ambuja Cements currently trading at 365. We'll look into the Tata Group stocks. Tata Chemicals opens at 1007 and now trading at 1021. Currently not much range emerging in Tata Chemical stocks. It is in the in range mode, which means like it is inside of a larger trend of downward movement. This is Tata Consumers. After making a low of 1228, currently trading at 1238. The breakout level happens to be at 1242. So this is Tata Communication currently in uptrend, but still has made a new low at 1228 and it might start going above 1242. Tata Consumers from the lows of 721, it will face a resistance at 729, and watch out for this stock only above 732. Currently at 723, it is in the no trade zone. Tata Motors has broken the resistance or the breakdown level of 432 and it has started moving higher. This also was in a in ranger of the uptrend. Then it is a very clear indication from here on it can start moving higher. Currently it shows 442 as the breakout level, but you can see here it has already not broken the resistance or support at 432 and now currently trading at 436. Tata Power from the lows of 203 currently trading at 204. Not much movement here. The volumes are very muted. Price action is not showing anything very significant. So this is Tata Power currently trading at 204. Tata Steel 109.75 from the highs of 111. It has come down to new lows of 109 in the last few days. You can see here, this is the chart from Monday. From the weekly high of 119 to the lows of 109. This entire week Tata Steel has been going down only. TCS from the lows of Feb 6th low of 3445, it has gone up to 3552, almost about 100 points movement all of this week. So it has been in a good uptrend. Today it has slightly taken a breather and on the intraday chart it has gone below yesterday's low. So probably this uptrend which has started from the lows of 3445 up to 3552 might have been ended, but the ending signal will come only when it breaks 3489. Until then there is no reversal. You can, if you are holding long position, you can continue to hold the long positions. On what time frame is what you have to decide. This is the chart that we are watching is intraday chart. So Tata Motors on a intraday time frame for 1 week, from the highs of 449 to the lows of 433, it is like, you know, all of this week it has moved within the range of about 100 points. I'm sorry, about the range of 20 points. So not much movement here. Tata Power, nothing much. We can see FMCG group stocks, Dabur on an intraday chart, which is 15 minutes chart, from the highs of 547. You can see here on Monday the lows were around 532. On that very same day there was a big breakout and went up to 549, and remaining 4 days it has come back to the Monday morning lows. It has come back to 533 and now trading at 534. So all of the gains that was made on Monday morning, one intraday movement which took the stock from 530 to 549, is all gone in last 4 days, and today it is already come down to 532 levels. So if you see Dabur breaking 531.85, you can remain short, and the next buying will emerge only above 540 levels. So this is the story of Dabur. Godrej CP, from the highs of very sideways movement all of this week, started with 928, went up to 950, currently trading at 941, 930 to 950, about 20 points movement in last 1 week. Hindustan Lever, from the highs of 2649 comes down to 2572 in last 5 days. So currently it is now finding support at 2576. It is slightly trading above the support levels, so watch out for this stock. It has fallen all of this week from the highs of 2649 to the lows of 2577. So from here on maybe there is a slight up move available for this particular stock. 1 full week of downfall, and today little bit of support is available, so probably from Monday onwards it will again start moving higher. This is the chart of ITC. From the highs of 383 to the lows of 366. In fact, I would say from the highs of 383, Tuesday itself it has made a low of 364. From Tuesday onwards, for the last 3 days it is in the sideways movement and it is going not much anywhere. Currently the resistance is upward, resistance is at 374. So if it hits 374 it might again come down, or if it breaks 366 it might go further down. So probably this stock is currently trading towards the day's low. So, and watch out for this 366.75 levels. Jubilant Food, good up movement in the consumer segment from the lows of 421 up to the 462. Today it has been making new highs and trading above the weekly highest level. It is trading towards the day's high. Marico 495. Tata Consumers, very choppy movement, currently trading at 724. Titan currently trading at 2455 from the highs of 2484. It has come down to 2455. Voltas, very uneven movement. It has made a unusually first candle low of 800 and currently trading at 824. Bata India, 1527 is the breakout level for the upside movement and 1508 is the breakdown level for the downside movement. Asian Paints, good up move this week from the lows of 27.31 has already climbed up to 28.23, which means about 100 points movement in this week, and today also has made a new high at 28.32, came down to 27.97 and currently trading at 28.17. So this is with respect to some of the FMCG stocks. Let us go back to Nifty. This is currently trading at 17,880, 876. Day high has been at 17,899. So will it go higher? The nearest levels are quite far off. Bank Nifty at 41,714. So this is with respect to today's stock analysis. If you are liking the content, do subscribe to the channel, share the channel with your fellow traders, and if you want to really understand the mechanics of trading, understand risk management, or understand how to handle your psychological setups, then you can enroll yourself for the Trading for Living program, and we would do our best to make you a better trader. Have a good weekend. Let us all again reconvene on Monday morning. Until then, Om Swasti.